Encountering the frustrating "we could not find the recovery environment" error on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 system? No need to worry. In this video, we will guide you through a simple and effective solution to resolve this issue. Whether you are facing it during system recovery or troubleshooting, our step-by-step instructions will help you get your system back on track. Watch, learn, and get your PC running smoothly again. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. To fix "we could not find the recovery environment" in Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Create a Windows installation media using the Media Creation tool. Step 2. Boot from the installation media. Step 3. Choose your language and region, then select Repair your computer. Step 4. Navigate to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. Step 5. In Command Prompt, type reagentc/enable and press Enter. Step 6. Reboot your system and check if the recovery environment is restored.